Now to your top 10 headlines in just 2 minutes.
One person was killed and 5 others hurt after a shooting at a party near the campus of Chico State University. Police say they had been called to the same address about half an hour before the shooting and arrested a man on suspicion of brandishing a firearm. No information about a potential shooter was released, but police say there is no threat to the public.
One person was injured in a shooting on Tapo Court in South Sacramento early this morning. That person is expected to survive. No arrests have been made and the investigation is ongoing.
The TV announcer for the Oakland A's is now apologizing after he said what appeared to be a racial slur on the air. Glenn Kuiper apologized after the 6th inning, saying he said something that didn't come out quite the way that he had wanted. The team has since suspended the announcer.
An emergency order was issued at Travis Air Force Base in Solano County after an oil leak. The EPA says the leak is causing a substantial threat to bodies of water in the area. The agency says this is not the first time this has happened at Travis Air Force Base.
Protests in New York City are now calling for this man, Daniel Penny, to be arrested after he used a chokehold on a homeless man, Jordan Neely, for almost 3 minutes, ultimately killing him. The case will go in front of a grand jury who will ultimately decide if criminal charges are warranted.
King Charles was officially crowned the British monarch this morning. It was the first chance many had to witness such a ceremony. The crowning was followed by a military display and short flyover.
There's new evidence in the case of the Menendez brothers who shot and killed their parents in their mansion in Beverly Hills back in 1989. Lyle and Eric claim they acted that way because of sexual abuse carried out by their father for years. Now, new testimony in a documentary from another alleged victim is giving the legal team for the brothers hope that they could be released or be given a new trial.
Today, Mage, a 15-to-1 shot, won the Kentucky Derby. It's the first win in 16 tries for its jockey, Javier Castellano, and it's only the horse's 4th race ever. Mage overtook one of the pre-race favorites, Two Phils, on the final stretch.
Firefighters in Turlock helped finish mowing a person's lawn after they had a medical emergency doing yard work. The department says crews came back after the person was taken to the hospital and helped finish what they were working on.
Women's professional soccer team, Stockton Cargo, played their first game today at the soccer field at Delta College. The team competes in the USLW, the same level league as the Sacramento Republic. They fell to the Oakland Soul by a score of 3-1. The team has 3 more home games before the season is over.
And that's a look at your top 10 headlines in just 2 minutes.